Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets. To a bowl we're going to add 1 cup of milk, and 1 egg. And we're going to whisk that together. I'll just set that to the side. Then we're going to take 2 pounds of chicken breast. And we're just going to cut that into bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to add that to our milk mixture. Now we're going to get in there and mix it all up. We're going to make sure all the chicken is nice and coated. Now we're going to cover, put it in the fridge, and let it marinate for 3 to 4 hours. Now you can do this in a gallon Ziploc bag. I don't have a gallon Ziploc bag, so I'm going to use this container with a lid. We're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we're going to make sure it's all mixed together. Now we're going to take our container of chicken breast that's been marinating for 3 to 4 hours, and we're going to plop them down into the flour mixture. Try to drain off a little bit of that liquid. Now if you're using a Ziploc bag, go ahead and zip the bag up, or put your lid on your container and give it a good shake. Now the chicken's coated, all it's left to do is to fry it up. Now to a large pan, we're going to add in peanut oil. We're going to add enough to go about 2 inches up the side of the pan. Now we're going to warm this up over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees. And once the oil heats up, it's time to fry them. We're going to fry them in batches. We're going to cook them until they're golden brown. Once they start to turn golden brown, it's time to take them out. And we're going to put them on a piece of paper towel and let them drain. Now if it's done, it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's a darn good chicken nugget. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.